What's going on, YouTubulous? EXO coming at you here, feeling damn good. Checking out our new fisheye base lens. Holy crap, this thing is huge. I can already imagine all the great shots we're gonna get with it this 2017 competition season. I feel like I can look everywhere on this thing and my eyes are moving everywhere. So I don't know about you guys, but both of my vehicles need quite a bit of attention before we get going with the base this year. So I figured in this video, we can share with you some great deals from our guys over at Droppin' Hertz Car Audio. Because I don't know if you knew this either, but they got a better deal going on than our beloved EXO coupon code. I know, right? Crazy to think. But they have a like a spend and reward program where it breaks it up into different brackets depending on how much you spend. I'll throw up a quick screenshot just in case if you can't see it, but there are some crazy deals going on over at Droppin' Hertz Car Audio, including, oh my God, hold on to your butts, Crescendo audio amplifiers right there, sitting center stage on the homepage. The Encore series is officially back in stock, including the 4.5, 10, and 12K bass amplifiers. Everybody kind of goes into a tailspin, or a whirlwind, I meant to say, whenever the Crescendos come back in stock. The internet kind of goes crazy for just a little while. So also, Sky High Car Audio, fresh shipment of all their accessories, including fuses, terminations, wires, everything you can think of right there. Obviously, guys, you know, products from A to Z, whatever your niche is, you know, Alfred Audio to XS Power, it doesn't matter. They pretty much have it all, and they're bringing on more brands every day. So, like I said, this is just a quick little video to help you. Maybe you just got your tax returns. Maybe you just want to spend some money on your vehicles for this 2017 season. Either way you slice it, there are some really great things going on here. If you want to help support the EXO channels by clicking the links, every little bit helps, and I really appreciate it. And Droppin' Hertz has been great to work with these past 3 years. So yeah, all right, guys, and let this video wrap up for what it is. All right, make sure you stay loud, stay proud, and I'll talk to you in the next one.